Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the ways on how can you open LinkedIn account. If you want to create or open an account, you have to first of all install the application. Go to your app store, on the search box type in LinkedIn. After you're done installing it, click the open button. You will then be taken to this field. So there are different ways you could create your account. You could either go with Google or sign in with email or Facebook as well. So if you want to go with any of these, you could select that. Now I'm gonna go with email. So here you want to click on join now, and now go ahead and start adding your name, then the email address that you want to associate with, and set a password. As you're done setting a password, click the continue button. Now it's time for you to go ahead and verify your email, or you have to solve this puzzle. You want to select the correct way up. And once you actually done it, so now you'll start with the documentation, or what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and start registering. So follow on the on-screen prompt, that is you have to provide your CV, or you could also add your bio and all that. So you want to go ahead and enter in that, and with that being said, you'll have successfully opened a LinkedIn account. This is the way you could create or open a LinkedIn account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.